Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a slow-mo video on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So first tap on the home key to go back to the home screen, then launch the camera app. In camera you want to tap on the more button and then choose slow motion, and then now you need to point your camera at the subject and tap on the shoot button. Now there is also a flash button over here which you can manually turn on flash, or you can set it to auto, or you can set it to off. Okay, so I'm going to test out the videos and see how it goes. I'm going to press on the record button right here, and here is a sample videos that I have used the Galaxy S21 Ultra to capture slow-mo.